First 48!
For homicide detectives, the clock starts ticking the moment they are called.
Whoever shot him in the back walked up on him and assassinated him.
You know who we are, man. You know who the we are.
Whoa. Not that first 48. I mean, I have 48 hours to create a brand new dropshipping store and make money with it. But there's a twist. This wheel right here contains a list of 10 different Shopify dropshipping products. Now, whichever one the wheel lands on, I'm gonna be promoting in today's video. Now, as you can see, I got the makeup mirror, I got the visibility leash, I got a foot massage, eyelash enhancer, magic stretcher, the wonder brush, hair cutting tool, 4D neck massager, skin magic, and last but not least, we got a neck fan. Now, let's go ahead and take a spin and see which one we land on. Dun, the wonder brush. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you sit back, relax, get your snacks. Also, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. 20K on the way, cause this is gonna be good. So 48 hours is officially on the clock. As you can see, it's 1:48 p.m. and it's July 17th. So the first thing I want to do is do some product research. So I'm gonna hop into my computer right now and I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so I'm on a website right now called Dropship Rabbit. Now this is where I go to do all my product research when it comes to Shopify dropshipping. Now as you can see, the wonder brush, you know, who knew I would have landed on this one? Now I never promoted a product like this before, but as you can see, the selling price on it is $18.99, product cost $3.39, profit margin $15, and they got some images that we can use and everything like that. And if we scroll down, they give you a description. So I think I'm gonna probably go with that description, maybe change it up a little bit. Let's actually go to the AliExpress real quick so we can see like how many orders it has and everything. So it has over 3,000 orders, so that's good. So that means this product is selling. So at least we landed on a good product, you know. It just comes down to promoting it now. So as you can see, shipping is $136, but yeah, it got a bunch of orders, so that means it's good. 4.7 reviews. So yeah, that's good. That's pretty good. Let's actually scroll down a little bit more. And so the interest, so we're gonna be targeting hair care, afro textured hair, ages 18 to 65, okay. And then the countries, and then we got an ad for us already. So hey, that's why I like this website, because they actually give you like the product research that you need. Like they give you a description, they give you an ad, they give you the targeting, they give you everything that you really need for Shopify dropshipping. So if you want to check out this website, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for it. But yeah, we're gonna be promoting the wonder brush. But now that we've done the research on the product, we know that the product is selling. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and create the Shopify dropshipping store. So I'll hit you guys up when that's done. Alright man, so it's currently 7:22 and it took me a long time because I've been distracted today. I had a bunch of stuff to do, but the site is finally finished, so I'm gonna pull it up so that you guys can see it. Alright, so I'm on the site right now, and as you can see, it's called melaninessentials.com. You know, some slight. I figured I should do it like Melanin Essentials because the product is really geared towards like black females, right? So that's why I named it Melanin Essentials. And as you can see, I got the wonder brush right here. And let's actually go to the product page real quick so that you guys can see the product page. But as you can see, I got a couple images of the different brushes, people holding a brush. You know, I finessed this site. Even though it took me a little while to do, I still finessed it. As you can see, I got the selling price at $18.99. The button color is black, and then here's the description right here. Added a little sauce to it, just a little bit. And then you can see the reviews as well, you know, 31 reviews, 31 5-star reviews. So this product is actually good. Like I was actually reading the reviews and people actually like this product. So this is actually a good product to sell. So hopefully I can get some sales myself with it.
Is that the one?
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
But as you can see, here's all the reviews. And then at the bottom, I got award-winning, free track shipping, best prices, and 99.5% positive feedback. and then as you can see the bottom right here. So that's the whole site for you. Let me go back to the home page one more time. Boom. So yeah, that's the whole site. You know what time it is. It's time to get to the money, my favorite part. You know, hey, you know me, I'm a hustler. I like to get to the money. So for this, I'm gonna be using Instagram influencers. So I'm gonna be targeting like female pages, black pages, and everything like that. And I'm gonna actually try to spend under $100 for this, because I know I got a lot of beginners watching me, and y'all might not have the budget to spend $1,000 on ads, or even like $500 on ads. So I want to show you guys, like, even if you spend like $100, you can still make some money. Well, hopefully, I might be speaking too soon, but hopefully I actually make a return on my investment. Now make sure you keep watching this video, because unlike other dropshipping videos, I'm gonna actually reveal the exact pages that I go to and the ad, and then at the end of this video, I'm gonna break down the profit and everything like that. So stay tuned.
The next day.
All right, so it's currently been about 24 hours since I started the challenge. It's currently 1:01 p.m. on Saturday, July 18th. And as you can see right there, I got a sale like a minute ago, you know. I do this, but let me actually pull up my sales so that you guys can see like how much I made. Now listen, check me out, check me out. I started running ads this morning at about 8 p.m. because last night I was contacting influencers, but it was kind of late, so I just waited till this morning to start running the ads. So you can see like when the sales started shooting up, it was about 8 a.m. and I got 11 orders right now for almost $250. Now, like I said, I started running ads about 8 a.m. so it's been about 5 hours, right? So in about 5 hours, I made $250. So
money tea, what? Money tea, money tea, money tea.
you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all better start putting some respect on my name. I really do this. I really do this. But like I said earlier in this video, I'm gonna actually show you guys the influencers and everything like that. So let me show you guys the influencers that I've used so far. All right, so I'm on the Instagram account right now. Now for this challenge, I actually went ahead and created an Instagram account for it. So it's called Melanin Essentials, just like the store name and everything like that. And I went ahead and posted 4 photos. But let me go ahead and go to the DMs, right? So I contacted a couple pages. Now this one, they haven't posted it yet, but I paid for this one, National Black Guide. They still got to get back to me. As you can see, it was last night, 10:30 p.m. But so far, Conscious Culture, as you can see, let me actually go to that page so you can see the ad right here. So far, I got 125 likes. Boom. So that's the first page that I went to. He already posted. Now this one I actually went with them as well. Let me go to that page. Same thing, you know, the swipe thing. 250 likes. So this one pretty good, pretty good. This one has 143,000 followers on it. And you know, let me go ahead and like that. And they charge, let me actually show you guys how much they charge. I believe they charge like $30. You know, it's not showing me right now. I don't want to go through all of that, but I believe they charge $30. Conscious Culture, they charge $35. And the last one, this one right here, they charge $25. So far 3 pages posted my ad for $90 in total. Now I do have that other page that y'all seen, but they just haven't posted the ad yet. So far this challenge is looking good, man. With only 5 hours, I made my money back and then some. Now for the rest of the day, for the next 24 hours, I think I'm gonna go ahead and reinvest some of the money back into the business and contact some more pages and see if they'll promote the product for me as well. So I'm gonna check back in tomorrow and let you guys know the final results. But either way, hey, we looking fantastical, swell, amazing. We getting to this money. You see it, you know, BHC. You know, the 48-hour Shopify Dropshipping Challenge is complete. It's currently 2/22. Hey, that's my birthday, you know, February 22nd, but it's July 19th, right? So I'm about to pull up my store right now and I'm gonna show you guys the results. But before we do that, I need y'all to drop a like on this video, because your boy Drell did his thing in this challenge. I'm still kind of new to dropshipping, but I still made a couple $100 in profit within his first 48 hours. Alright, so I'm on the store right now, and as you can see, today I made 4 sales for $75.95. You know, some slight, some slight. Yesterday I made 17 sales for $379.80. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to this week so we can see the total. So for the total, I made 21 sales for $455.79. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Now listen, this did way better than I expected. You know, my other challenges, I made some profit, but this one, you know, I hit a home run in this motherfucker. But hey, let me actually, what did I do? So as you can see right here, here's proof that this is the actual site. It's Melanin Essentials, you know. Let me go back though so I can show you guys the rest of the stats. So If we actually hit view dashboard, we can see like the whole stat. So $455, you can see the conversion rate was 8.47%. like that's insane. Like an 8% conversion rate, I usually see about 1 to 2%. To get 8%, that's crazy, man. So this site, you know what I'm saying, I did my thing. Like I said earlier in this video, I did my thing with the site. So the site converted extremely high. I'm getting better with building these sites and everything like that. Let me scroll down so you can see the rest of the stats. You know, here's everything. You know, I ain't hiding nothing from y'all. Gonna scroll all the way down. So that's everything. Now, as you guys know, that's not all profit. I had some expenses, so let me break it down for y'all. So I spent $14 on the domain name, which was melaninessentials.com. Next, I spent $90 on Instagram influencers. The 3 pages that I showed you guys earlier in this video, those were the only pages that actually posted the ad for me. Now, I did actually pay 2 other pages to promote the product for me, but they didn't post the ad yet. Like, one is supposed to post it later on tonight, and then the other one is supposed to post it tomorrow morning. So like, it just wouldn't be fair if I added them in there now, because most likely when they post, I'm gonna get more sales. And then I also spent another $125.52 for the product cost. So now we take that and subtract it from the amount of sales we had, we end up with a total of $226.24 in profit. Hey, listen, come here, let me holler at you real quick. Look at me, look at me.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
Look, that's not bad at all, considering the fact that I started running ads yesterday morning at about 8 a.m. So it's really only been a little over 24 hours since I started running ads. So if I would have did this over a whole entire week, I would have definitely made over $1,000 in profit, like no doubt in my mind. But nonetheless, I hope that you guys take inspiration from my videos and these challenges I'll be doing, because I just want to show y'all like, yo, you don't need a lot of money to start. You don't need to come from a rich background. You don't need any handouts, because like me, myself, I came from a single mother with 4 kids, no handouts. I really just learned the game. Once you learn the game, you're not only going to be able to put yourself, but your family in a better situation as well. Like, there's so many different ways to make money online. And of course, you're going to take some losses. Of course, you're going to lose some money. Of course, it's going to take you months, if not years, to learn the game, but that just comes with the territory. So just believe in yourself and never quit, because like, I'm just 20 years old, so if I could do it, you could do it as well. But if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it if you share this video with a friend so that they can make some money and get this game as well. Drop a like on the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel for the culture. You know, I'm doing a face reveal at 20K, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, man, have a great rest of your day.